Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix sleep issues in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type control panel and hit enter. Change the view mode to large icons and select power options. Select this in the new window, select change plan settings, one click, and click on the text change advanced power settings. In this new window prompt, scroll down and select PCI Express, one click in the plus symbol, and select link state power management, scroll down and select this setting, moderate power savings, change, one click in select off. Select off, this setting is off, link state power management off, click on apply and click on OK. Close this window and the second option to apply this change is go to the start menu and type CMD, select the command prompt and right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes and type Powercfg space this symbol H space off and hit enter. Sorry. Powercfg, this symbol H space off and hit enter. Copy the command. Copy and go to the start menu and select CMD. Right click, run as administrator, click on yes, right click in the top and select paste and hit enter. To apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu and select power up button and click on restart and wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.